What's up everybody, it's Aki, and this video is all about my locks.
You are now tuned in to Hitty on the Boards.
You saying that you love me, but you love me back. How you saying that you love me, that you love me, that you love me? How you saying that you love me, that you love me, that you love me? You don't really love me. How you saying?
So I have a list of things that I want to touch on just to make sure that I touch on everything about my hair. Let's begin at the beginning. I started my locks on August 18th, 2019, and today is January the 11th. So right now I'm 4 months, and on the 18th of January I will be 5. I started on very short hair. My hair had no length. I had no hang time. I was struggling out here, okay? I was looking crazy. First week was perfect. Like the first week I had loved this, the look. It looked like finger coils because they were comb coils. After that first week though, my hair started getting frizzy and it wasn't clean. I did not wash my hair at all that first month. At all. I didn't wash my hair, but I used witch hazel and I cleaned my scalp because it was itchy and it was looking a little crusty, and we don't do that around here, but we don't walk around looking like that. So I had to do something. So that's what I did. I got my second retwist on September the 18th. I got my second retwist and I washed my hair for the first time. Now a lot of people, they use the stocking cap method. I didn't do that. I just went and I washed my hair regularly. I didn't put any type of protective material over my hair. I just washed it. I also used apple cider vinegar and I applied it to my scalp to lift up any dirt, and my hair was very clean, and my mom retwisted my hair. After I got my retwist, I saw like how much my hair grew in just the first month by itself, and I was like, okay, hold on, my hair growing like this, I can do this. Okay, I can do this. Spray. I sprayed my hair with sea salt water spray every other day for 2 months, and this, I think it really promoted my hair to lock. This is what really helped my hair to lock. It kind of dried it out a little, but I also put the moisture back into my hair. So it's not like I was just drying my hair out and leaving it like that. I would spray it with the sea salt water. Then I would go in with Jamaican black castor oil and I'll spray it with that. I wore a lot of scarves and I wore a lot of hats. Those were my best friends for the first 2 months, y'all. You can ask anybody. Y'all do not really too much see me without a scarf or a hat on. If I'm lying, I'm flying and I'm sitting down. So month 3. Oh, month 3. Month 3 was the month of uncontrollable frizz. A stage that we have to embrace. A stage that you're going to go through. You're going to go through frizz. You're going to have frizz. I have not seen a YouTuber to this day that have said, oh, I ain't got no frizz. Because if they did, they lying. They lie and say you don't need to be watching liars. For me, because my hair was very, very, very short, I had a little bit more frizz than normal. And my hair is already frizzy. Like even when I didn't have locks, my hair was a frizz ball. So I started doing frizz maintenance. I would take, even when I did not do a retwist, I would take the frizz and I would wrap it. Let me show y'all. Don't look at my nails because I need to get them done. So if you're not trying to give me no money to get my nails done, then leave me alone. So I would take it and I would just wrap the frizz. Keep on wrapping like that, shawty. Keep on wrapping. Just wrap the frizz round and it locks in. Like it merges back into your lock. So I would do that. I also was being fast and I had got a crochet hook and I tried to crochet my locks back together, but don't do that. If you want the crochet method, go to a professional. Also noticed that my hair started to get a little dry, so along with the Jamaican black castor oil, I would use hot oil treatments, put a plastic bag on my head and sit over the hooded dryer for at least about 10 minutes, and that puts moisture back into your hair, because for the first yesterday was the first day I actually put conditioner in my hair. I was just experimenting, didn't know what I was doing, did not know what the outcome was gonna be. But for the first 4 months, I only put oil into my hair, and I got my moisture from the oils. Like, you have to oil your scalp, you have to oil and moisturize your hair. Do it every day. Like, for me, I have to do it every single day. It ain't no every other day, it's an every single day thing for me. So if you have to do that every day, do it every day. Before you go to sleep, when you wake up, spray your hair with some water. You know, plants need water to grow, so treat your hair like a plant. Spray it with water. Treat your scalp too, because you need a healthy scalp to grow healthy hair. All of that good stuff. What you eat also matters. Water, stay away from a bunch of sugars, eat fruits, eat vegetables, and hopefully your hair will flourish. Okay, so month 4, this is the month I'm in right now. So let me tell y'all what I did that messed up my hair. I did passion twists in my hair, and that was probably the worst thing I could have done. Some of the locks were twisted the wrong way. They were unraveling. I didn't know what to do. I cried a little bit. You're gonna cry along this process, I promise. It's normal. So I retwisted it. After I took them out. I was like, alright, I'm just gonna retwist my hair and see what happened. I retwisted it. It was fine, I guess. My hair, it was okay. It didn't look like it usually do when I got a retwist. So I retwisted it, and y'all, I know that I messed my hair up because the frizz that I was experiencing this month, it came from that. It was the hair that came out of that was unraveling. It's the hair that came out of it, and I just fixed it yesterday. I was like, okay, I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna fix my hair. So yesterday it took me about 5 hours to retwist my hair because I wanted to make sure I got every single little piece back into my lock, and I fixed it. So we are here today at 4 months, and this is what my hair is looking like, y'all. My hair has grown. I'm so proud of my hair. Hey, girl, who you show out for? Like, why is you going like this? But y'all, my hair is really growing. If you can see, I can shake it. I can feel it moving. I can feel the movement. I don't know if you can really see that, but yeah, this is my hair. I hope I inspired someone to start their lock journey. If you're thinking about starting it, have patience, trust the process, and you will get through it so gracefully, so gracefully. Thank you for watching my video, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.